What's up, my Pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over the Clarity 3.0 and Iridescent case here from the folks at Mous. This is for the iPhone 16 Pro, and it's a great way to give you a crystal clear case, non-yellowing, while still including their limitless 6.0 technology. The Clarity 3.0 clear case and Iridescent case is awesome because it gives you scratch resistance on the back. It's got MagSafe, and you can see into the case to accentuate your titanium color that you opted into. The limitless 6.0 technology features a 25% reduction in thickness, while still giving you that all-around drop grade ergonomic protection that you've known and love over the years. I really like this case because it really kind of shimmers in the light, and it's nice to be able to have to show off your phone. With that said, the folks at Mous did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. They do help with the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and see what you're getting yourself into. The Clarity 3.0 case is really exciting this year. It also features limitless 6.0 technology, meaning that the Clarity 3.0 is 32% thinner, which puts you at a little bit more than 2 millimeters thick. I opted into the iridescent clear one, which is kind of fun. As you can see, as it hits off of light, it's going to refract and kind of look rainbowy, giving you that iridescent look. It's clean. It's really clean. It's made out of a non-yellowing material, which is crystal clear. So when you have an active lifestyle out and about, it's protected against the UV light and oils. Scratch resistant while still maintaining a crystal clear appearance. I like that. The buttons are nice and reinforced with their polycarbonate material, and the entire case is aligned here with their AeroShock technology, which provides you that extra protection, with the limitless 6.0 technology giving you continued protection despite it being a 32% reduction in size and weight. You got MagSafe capability. You get the cutouts for all of your I/O, including a wrist strap slot. You got your camera control. You got your buttons, as well as your volume rocker action button. On the bottom side, you also have your cutouts for your speaker and your USB Type-C. Placing it in here for the first time, pretty straightforward. You go from the bottom to the top. I really like the iridescent. It just pops in the light. It's hard to see here with my camera in my studio. Placing the phone in there, it is really fun to be able to have this. It is a sponge for fingerprints, but it's nice to be able to have in your pocket. My biggest issue here is the big old cutout for your camera control. You still have full option for it, but I can see it being an issue if you drop it and it hits that specifically. You do have it raised a little bit on these corners, but it does leave you a little bit of risk here, despite having the full function of the camera control button. You can see that it's raised, which is nice, so it's not gonna hit against your screen protector. The bezels are clean and grip right around the edge, so it's not going to be pushing against your screen protector. I am using the Mous 9H hardness glass, which gives you this all-around protection for your phone and your cameras. It's raised here for the camera so it doesn't scratch on the backside, and it's also MagSafe capable, so if you want to throw on a charging puck, you can. This is from ESR, giving you 15 watts charging, which is nice. The magnets are super strong, allowing you to hold up your phone. You can throw on a wireless battery if you want. This is from Anker. This gives you 5 watts, 5,000 milliamps. Or if you wanted to use something that's more content creation friendly, you can throw on the SnapGrip. This has a wide array of accessories that you can throw on. It also has a shutter button, as well as a 5,000 milliamp battery, 15 watt charging, allowing you to extend your content creation and have fun while you're doing it. I like that. There it is. The iridescent look is really nice as it shimmers in the light. It's been hard for me to be able to replicate it, but in real life, it looks really cool having the purples shine up to the yellows. You can barely see it here because of my studio lighting. Nonetheless, it's super crystal clear. It's nice and protective. It's military grade as well as scratch resistant. The 6.0 technology is fantastic with these extra enhanced corners with AeroShock technology, and still being able to have MagSafe capability all in one is fantastic. With that said, the folks at Mous did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. I'll have all that available here for you guys. My name is Andy with Tech Influence. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.